I think I found the best host on Airbnb platform, and I think we can all learn a lot from her. Hi guys, today I will show you one host on Airbnb platform. In my mind, she's one of the best hosts around the world. I do not know her. I came across her profile and listings by accident, but I think she's an amazing host, so I wanted to share her profile with you, and I think we can all learn a lot from her. I've spent countless hours researching lots of different hosts around the world, and I usually go through the listings, see what I like, see what I don't like, see what I can learn from them, what I can copy from them, and things that probably I should avoid doing. So as I was doing my research, I came across a host, and I think she's amazing host. I personally do not know her, neither have I stayed at her property, but you will see here in a minute why she's such a great host. So let's just jump into it. So her name is Eugenia. I hope I'm saying her name correctly. She's a host down in Buenos Aires, Argentina. So she has been host for 10 years, a 4.9 average stars, almost 2,000 reviews. Obviously, she knows what she's doing. She has amazing reviews and she's amazing host. So kudos to her. That's a great and amazing accomplishment. She's a designer, which really pays dividends in this business. So let's just jump into her listings. I think she has only 8 listings. All of them are small studio apartments, similar to us. And I think she does a really amazing job with her design. And this makes her one of the best hosts that I've ever seen. We can go through her listings. She has super well designed listings. Also, her photos are really great. And all of them are different from each other. So I think they're all in the same building. So by the fact that they are such different designs, I don't think they compete against each other too much. You can really take a lot from her apartment designs. I think this red is a bit too much, but all of her apartments are so great. Look at the settle, like color choices, really nice wall art. She has plenty of plants. Look at his design, like beautiful color selection on the wall, great art. And just one thing to keep in mind, these are not some fancy studios. This is like a long studio with not such a special kitchen, but it's the design that really makes her apartment stand out. And out of her 8 listings, 3 of them are Airbnb Plus listings. I've never seen an Airbnb Plus listing in a small studio. Usually Airbnb Plus listings are like fancy apartments with very expensive decor, but I don't even think that these apartments are that expensive in terms of their decorations. I truly believe that it's just her design and color choices and art choices. The fact that she's a professional designer really pays dividends in this case. So look how beautiful this apartment is, and it's an Airbnb Plus apartment. So we can jump into it and see obviously great photos. Look at this kitchen. Kitchen is like a small, it's not even anything crazy. It's also a long studio. I personally do not even like long studios. I prefer when the kitchen is separated, but here everything is together. She has a kitchen, then a living space in the middle, and then the bedroom area at the very end. So look at it. And this is an Airbnb Plus listing. She gets extra search boost, and this is really great. To have a small studio like this with a kitchen that is nothing special, and to have it ranked as Airbnb Plus listing with 200 reviews, 4.97, this is really amazing. She's amazing host. Here is the second Airbnb Plus listing. It's a similar studio setup, same small kitchen, living room in the center, then bedroom at the end, and it's really, her decor skills are amazing. And last one, look how well designed this apartment is. I would love to live here permanently. I don't even like these photos as a one of the cover photos, but I mean it works. because of this cover photo and how well designed this is, she's doing so well. And this is Airbnb Plus property. It's amazing. I have already shared her listing information with our property design, which is my sister, and we'll definitely take inspiration from her listings and try to design our listings similarly. I think this is a really great resource for us. Other than that, if you go down, we can check that her prices are not that expensive. It's great. So as you can tell, uh, based on my teachings, 3 core pillars of Airbnb: good photos, which have to have a good design, and then you have a pricing and great reviews. She has everything dialed in. Great reviews, not super expensive price, right? And it's off season now, but look at her calendar. To me, this is a perfect calendar. Like, only a few days free. This means that everything else is booked. Down here, everything is booked. She's booked out 3 months in the future. And the prices are not even that expensive. You don't have to be super expensive properties to make the most money. I think you can really do well by running at high occupancy, similarly to what she's doing. This is what I teach in my videos on this YouTube channel, as well as in my courses for Airbnb. I think she's doing a phenomenal job here. Reviews amazing, cleanliness down, communication 5-star, everything. She does have an apartment in a great area. Palermo is the best place to stay in Buenos Aires. Actually, I would recommend you guys to add her listings to your favorites. Let's show her some love. And also, if you're traveling down to Buenos Aires, I encourage you to stay there. I know I will. I will definitely will book her place and stay there myself. And yeah, nothing else special. She doesn't write too much description of the listing, doesn't add emojis or anything, but when you have such a good design, when you have such a good pricing strategy, when you're such an amazing host, you really, those are minor details. I mean, it would make her listing even better, but I think her listing is doing perfectly well. So 10 out of 10, awesome listing. The link to her profile will be in the description of this video. Check her out, add her to your favorites, learn a lot, take notes from her design and learn from her design. And also, if you're down in Buenos Aires, I will encourage you to personally book her place and stay with her. That's all I wanted to say in this video. If you find this content useful, please like this video, also subscribe to our channel, and I wish you a full calendar. Have a great day. Thank you.